Hello everyone, welcome to the Yarn Bowl. Today in this video we're going to see how to crochet this cute floral earrings. For this you'll need cotton crochet thread, earring hoops, 1.25mm crochet hook, Elmer's glue or white glue, water. And these are the simple easy earrings to make, and you can pause this slide to make a note of things that you'll need. And if you want a free written pattern of this earring, it's available in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Link for that is available in the description. And if you have an Instagram account, do follow me on my Instagram handle as well. I post project updates and fun reels on my Instagram. And if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So these are the cotton crochet thread I'll be using for working these earrings, and let's get started. So with my 1.25mm crochet hook, I'm going to work a magic ring, and I'm going to work a chain 3 on the magic ring. This chain 3 will be considered as our first double crochet stitch, and then I'll go ahead work 11 more double crochets around the magic ring. So considering the chain 3 as a double crochet, we'll have 12 double crochets around the magic ring for our round 1. So go ahead, work your double crochets. So altogether you will be working 11 double crochet plus your starting chain 3. So let me count my double crochet stitches here. So once you have 12 double crochet stitch, which includes your starting chain 3, you can go ahead, tighten your magic ring and then work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 3. So that will be the end of our round 1. So I have 12 double crochet stitches here, and I'll be working a slip stitch on my starting chain 3 to close this round 1. And once you are done with the slip stitch, tighten the magic ring even more and secure it with a knot. Now tighten the magic ring and secure it with a knot. Now let's work our round 2. For round 2, I'm going to work a chain 2 double crochet together. This chain 2 double crochet together on the same stitch is going to be considered as our first double crochet 2 together. And after this, I'm going to work a chain 1. And then in the next stitch, I'm going to work a double crochet 2 together. Work a double crochet 2 together, followed by a chain 1, and then in the next stitch work a double crochet 2 together, followed by a chain 1. So we're going to work double crochet 2 together followed by a chain 1 on every stitch of our round 1. So you'll end up having 12 double crochets 2 together with in between chain 1 spaces. Continue working double crochet 2 together with in between chain 1 spaces around. And once you are done, we'll work a slip stitch on top of our starting double crochet 2 together. So this is my last double crochet 2 together. I've worked my chain 1 space, and now I'm working a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 2 double crochet 2 together. So that's your round 2. So before proceeding with round 3, I'm going to work a slip stitch on my next chain 1 space. Then I'll work a chain 1. This chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Then I'm going to work 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, chain 2, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet, all in the chain 1 space. And then in the next chain 1 space, I'm going to repeat the same thing, which will be 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, chain 2, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. So repeat this in every chain 1 space of round 2. I'm going to repeat this. Work 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, chain 2, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet on the chain 1 space. Work 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, chain 2, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet on the chain 1 space. So on each chain 1 space we're going to repeat this. This is going to create a new spiky border for our floral earrings. Repeat this pattern around. I'll meet you at the end of this round. So now I'm on my last chain 1 space. I'm going to work 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, chain 2, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. In the starting single crochet, I'm going to work a slip stitch to close this round 3. After this, you're going to snip off your yarn and then work slip stitches to secure the yarn bits. And then just work a simple knot so that they don't unravel, and then you can snip off all the yarn bits. So I have worked one of the earrings. You will need to work the same pattern again to work the next earrings. So as you can see, this is not stiff and wobbly. We will need to stiffen this or block this using 1 part of glue and 1 part of water. Mix the solution together, dip this work in that, and air dry your work for about 24 hours. So this is going to stiffen your work up. You can see this one is a blocked earring and the other one that I have is unblocked. See how the blocked earring is stiffened up after you dip it in white glue and water solution. So after it's been blocked, you can attach a earring hook to your work. So you get plenty of varieties of earring hooks in Amazon. And that's it. Your earring is done. Go ahead, attach your earring hooks to your earrings, and here you go. Your simple floral earrings is ready. So I made the same pattern to work many different earrings in other colors. So they're easy, simple to make, and a quick gift idea as well. They're so delicate and looks very pretty. So I've made this in blue color as well as many other colors as well, and I've attached earring hooks to all of them. So the floral earrings are ready. I hope you enjoyed this pattern. It's super simple, super easy to make, and a very good gift idea as well. And if you want a free written pattern of this earring, it's available in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Link for that is available in the description, and the earrings is available to purchase on my Etsy shop as well. And if you have an Instagram account, do follow me on my Instagram handle as well. I post project updates and fun reels on my Instagram. The free written pattern link is available in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.